If you want to permanently remove your Zapier account, I'll show you the exact steps in this quick tutorial. Whether you're cleaning up old tools, no longer using Zapier, or just want to delete your account for privacy reasons, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Zapier and sign into the account you want to delete. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, because once the deletion process is completed, your account data may no longer be recoverable. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you can access your personal settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the section called Security and Data. Click Security and Data to open the account management options. This is where Zapier keeps the controls for privacy, security, and account deletion. Now scroll through this page until you find the option labeled Delete My Account. When you see it, click Delete My Account. Zapier will ask you to confirm that you really want to continue, because this is a permanent action. Next, click Confirm It's You. Depending on your account security settings, Zapier may ask you to verify your identity before allowing the deletion to go through. This could mean entering your password again or completing an additional verification step. Follow any prompts that appear and complete the verification process carefully. Once that's done, your account deletion request should move forward. At this point, your Zapier account removal process is complete. That's it. You've successfully removed your Zapier account. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy step-by-step guides for popular apps and websites.